Hello and welcome to Teachably, and this might be my first face-on video on this channel, but I have been planning to do this for quite a long time. And there are few things which people really mess up on iOS right now, and to be honest, I've finally figured few things out, and one of those are the first thing would be YouTube. People are really confused how to go back to the previous video. If you click on a different video, say suppose if you're watching a video on YouTube, right? Let us see. Let's just play a random video, right? If you're playing this and then you click on this, so there is nothing really to go back to a previous video, right? So I have figured this out, and this is pretty easy, and it's still there, right? It's just a one touch stuff. So if you're suppose on a video, you click on a different video, you want to go back to the previous video, just press this button, which is the previous button. Before, it used to be to go back in this video, like reverse and forward, but now they've made it to the previous video and the next video. If there is no next video, then they will switch up to the what's like recommended section. It will just jump up to that. So you just have to click this button, and that's it. So that's that. Welcome to my house, baby, take control.